Okay, all tests passed. Now, Chris Pickle tells me that you don't need to run sudo make install on this version of Antares. That now this program should be ready to run. So I'm going to put in sudo make run, which is how you run the unsigned version of this. Let's see how we do. This looks possibly like it could run. Maybe. Let's see. The scenario is loaded. It's credited to Bigger Planet, of course, the original developers. Version 1.1.1 rather than 1.2. But that probably refers to Antares rather than... Actually, no, it would refer to Ares, because the Antares version, as I said, is either 0.8.2 or 0.8.3, if in fact Chris Pickle or somebody has updated it as of today for the fixes that I discussed earlier. So let's see how it runs. Looks like it runs. Let's see. The sound is dead. Let's see. No, it's not. No, I have my headset off. That's my whole problem. Runs just fine. This storyline, at the beginning, of course, is the same approach as was taken in the Escape Velocity series, and I'm sure that much of this was inspired by Star Wars. So I guess I should try to start a new game here, even if I'm not going to play it, just to make sure I can actually do it. Tutorial lesson 1. Okay. Now, I don't know anything about the key mapping or how I'm supposed to control the ship, so I'm going to be winging this. If I look like an idiot, that's because I only just got this working minutes ago. I have one other working build of it, which I haven't played. Build ships? Okay. Oops. I didn't listen to their instructions. Supposed to use the left. Okay, there we go. Message. I should have listened to them. It appears that my arrow buttons will also work, not just my mouse. So let's see if my return will select it. Nope. Gotta use my mouse button. Double click this. Next page, delete key. Nope, that doesn't work. Wasn't boarded correctly. Unless that mean backspace. Oh, here we go, backspace works. And back up to the main menu, click the button here or the left arrow key. Okay, I already knew that. Message. Accept. My Windows PC doesn't have an accept key. Oh, I see what they mean. Right arrow. Next page clear, right arrow. Okay, more. That would be the backspace. There we go. More. Okay, I think it's fair to say that this runs anyway. I think I should leave this to the playthrough. So good news is this all works really well. Or seems to. So quit to main menu. Excellent. So I guess I'll continue this in the playthrough. So now you know how to build Antares. And I guess I don't have very much more to say on this. I will update Chris Pickle on the progress of this because he's been following this and neither of us was sure if this was going to work when I tried it today. But now we know the procedure to build Antares for Ubuntu 16.04 anyway. So until next time, thanks for watching.